Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about labor mix variance. This variance arises due to the change in the actual gang composition than the standard gang composition. This variance shows to the management how much labor cost variance is due to the change in labor composition. Labor mix variance is like material mix variance and is calculated in the same way. It may be calculated in two ways. First one, when standard labor mix is equal to actual labor mix, and second one, when standard labor mix is different from actual labor mix. First, when standard and actual times of labor mix are same, in this case the variance is calculated as follows. Labor mix variance is standard cost of standard labor mix minus standard cost of actual labor mix. Due to the non-availability of one grade of labor, there may be a change in standard labor mix. Then revised standard will be used for standard mix. The formula will be labor mix variance is equal to standard cost of revised standard labor mix minus standard cost of actual labor mix. And second one, when standard and actual time of labor mix are different. In this case, the variance will be calculated as follows. Total time of actual labor mix divided by total time standard labor mix into standard cost of standard labor mix minus standard cost of actual labor mix. If labor composition is revised because of non-availability of one grade of labor, then revised standard mix will be used instead of standard mix, and the formula will be become total time of actual labor mix divided by total time revised standard labor mix into standard cost of revised standard labor mix minus standard cost of actual labor mix. Now we will discuss about one example. The following data is taken out from the books of a manufacturing concern. Budgeted labor composition for producing 100 articles, 20 men at the rate of 1.25 per hour for 25 hours, 30 women at the rate of rupees 1.10 paisa per hour for 30 hours. Actual labor composition for producing 100 articles. 25 men at the rate of rupees 1.50 per hour for 24 hours. 25 women at the rate of rupees 1.20 per hour for 25 hours. Calculate labor cost variance, labor rate variance, labor efficiency variance and labor mix variance. First we have to calculate labor cost variance. First, men, women. Men standard wage rate. Standard wage rate is equal to 1.25. Standard time. Men standard time. Men standard time 20 men's into 25 hours equal to 500 hours. Next, actual wage rate. Men actual wage rate is equal to 1.50. Next, actual time is equal to actual time at 25 minutes into 24 hours equal to 600 hours. Next, women standard wage rate is equal to 1.10. Standard time is equal to 30 women into 30 hours equal to 900 hours. Next, actual wage rate. Actual wage rate for women is equal to 1.20. Actual time equal to 25 women into 25 hours equal to 625 hours. First one, labor cost variance. is equal to standard labor cost minus actual labor cost. Standard labor cost is equal to standard time into standard wage rate minus actual labor cost is equal to actual time into actual wage rate. In this, standard time is equal to 500 hours into standard wage rate is equal to 1.25 minus actual time is equal to, this is for men, actual time is equal to 1 point, first actual time 600 hours into 1.50 equal to 625. 500 into 1.25 is equal to 625 minus 600 into 1.50 is equal to 900 equal to minus 275. Next, women standard time is equal to 900 hours into standard wage rate is equal to 1.10 equal to minus actual wage time 625 into 1.20 equal to 990. 900 into 1.10 990 minus 625 into 1.20 is equal to 750 equal to 240. It is minus 275 unfavorable, it is favorable. Labor cost variance is equal to men plus women. Men is equal to minus 275, women is equal to plus 240 equal to minus 35. It is unfavorable. Second one, labor rate variance. Equal to actual time into standard rate minus actual rate. First one, men equal to actual time is equal to 600 into standard rate is equal to 1.25 minus actual rate is equal to 1.50 equal to 600 into 1.25 minus 1.50 is equal to minus 0.25 equal to minus 150. It is unfavorable. Next, women is equal to actual time is equal to 625 into standard rate is equal to 1.10 minus actual rate is equal to 1.20 equal to 625 into 1.10 minus 1.20 is equal to 0.10 minus 0.10 equal to 62.5 minus 62.5. It is also unfavorable. Total LRV. Total LRV equal to men plus women equal to minus 150 men minus 62.50 equal to minus 212.50. It is also unfavorable. It is LRV. Next, third one, labor efficiency variance. Labor efficiency variance equal to standard rate into standard time minus actual time. First we have to calculate min. Min is equal to, min standard rate is equal to 1.25. Next standard time is equal to 500 minus actual time is equal to 600 equal to 1.25 into 500 minus 600 is equal to minus 100 equal to 125. It is minus 125, it is unfavorable. Next women. Standard rate is equal to 1.10 into standard time is equal to 900 minus actual time is equal to 620 equal to 1.10 into 900 minus 625 is equal to 275 equal to 302.50. It is favorable. Therefore total efficiency variance is equal to men plus women equal to minus 125 men plus 302.50 equal to 177.50. It is favorable. Next verification. Verification is equal to labor cost variance is equal to labor rate variance plus labor efficiency variance. Labor cost variance is equal to minus 35 equal to labor rate variance. Labor rate variance is equal to 212 minus 212.50. Next labor plus labor efficiency is equal to 177.50 minus LCV is equal to minus 212.50 plus 177.50 is equal to minus 35. There is equal. Next we have to calculate labor mix variance. In labor mix variance, standard time for men and women equal to for men is equal to 500 plus women is equal to 900. It is 1400 hours. Next actual time for men and women, men is equal to 600 plus women is equal to 625 is equal to 1225 hours. When standard time of labor mix is different from the actual time of labor mix, in this 1400 standard time, actual time is equal to 1225. There are different. That's why we have to calculate second situation. That principle is total time of actual labor mix divided by standard time of standard mix into standard cost of standard labor mix minus standard cost of actual labor mix. Total time of actual labor mix is equal to 1225 and next standard time of standard mix is equal to 1400 hours into standard cost of standard labor mix. It is standard cost of standard 500 into standard rate is equal to 1.25 plus women 900 into 1.10 rate is equal to minus standard cost of actual mix. You have to, standard time is equal to men for 600 into standard cost is equal to 1.25 plus women is equal to 625 into standard cost is equal to 1.10 equal to 1225 divided by 1440 into 500 into 1.25 is equal to 625 plus 900 into 1.50 is equal to 990 minus 600 into 1.25 is equal to 750 into 625 into 1.50 is equal to 687.50. 1225 divided by 1400 is equal to 0.85 into 625 plus 990 is equal to 1615 minus 750 into 687.50 is equal to plus 1437.50. 0.85 into 1615 is equal to 1372.75 minus 1437.50 equal to minus 64.75. Therefore, labor mix variance is equal to minus 64.75. It is unfavorable.